Hello everyone, welcome to part 26 of Laravel 10 tutorial in which we are creating the admin panel, and we are working on the roles and permission in Laravel 10 series, and we are going to add active inactive status as well as the delete functionality for the subadmins. In the last video we were able to show the subadmins in the admin panel, and in this video we are going to work on this action tab. We are going to show active inactive as well as the delete in the same way like we have added earlier for the CMS pages. Okay, so it will appear in the same manner like we have shown in the CMS pages. See active inactive status as well as the delete functionality. Okay, so let's start working on this one. We are going to open the subadmins blade file that we have created in the last video, and we will also open the cms pages.blade.php. okay, so here I'm going to copy this status as well as the delete functionality. Okay, so we will just require to copy and paste here, and we'll make changes so it will save our time. Here I'm going to add this one as well as I'm going to add the delete link as well, and okay, so after that I'm going to make some changes with these links. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and here I'm going to update this update CMS page status to the update subadmin status, update subadmin status, and here instead of this one it will come here subadmin and status. Here the status will come like this, status equal to 1. okay, and here also we are going to add this subadmin here in page. okay, in $page we are going to select the $page here. Everywhere we are going to change it with the subadmin. okay, subadmin like this. And other than this, see also we are going to change this one starting from here. We are going to modify. Now we are using the object. okay, so we are not using any array, so here we are going to replace it with like this. okay, so also see anything else we are going to check here. Confirmed it's here. CMS page will not come. Instead of this we are going to display here the subadmin. Here we are going to make it like subadmin here. okay, I'm going to make it subadmin. okay, so other than this we are going to check it once, any further change, and here delete subadmin, and instead of CMS page we are going to display here subadmin. okay, subadmin like this. So code ID also. okay, so first of all we are going to work on this status, so we are going to modify in custom.js file. Here we are going to add this one, in the same way jQuery code like we have added for the CMS page. Now we are going to add for the subadmin as well, update subadmin status. okay, subadmin status, and here we are going to make it like update subadmin status here, and page ID we are going to replace this page ID with the subadmin, and here update subadmin status subadmin. okay, like this. And it seems we find update subadmin status. This one we are going to add in here, and here we are going to add in the same way like we have added for the see both we can add. okay, let's add first of all this for the status update subadmin status here, route update subadmin status, and here we are going to add this one. Now manual route we are going to add like we are going to add here update subadmin status like this. okay, so this function we are going to create inside the admin controller. okay, so we can add the separate controller as well for the subadmin, but I'm using the same one, so it's your choice if you want to create a separate controller. okay, so I'm going to copy this update function from here, and we'll keep it here, and then I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to modify it with the update-subadmin-status here, and here we are going to update this page ID with the subadmin ID. Okay, subadmin ID, and also we are going to update this one in the admin model. Okay, so rest everything seems to be fine. So I'm going to check here, refresh here. Okay, so both the icons are coming. Right now we are working on this active inactive status. I will open the console as well. Maybe some error will come, then we are going to resolve this error. Okay, I will do it like this. Let's click here and see, yes, error has come. We are going to see what error exactly. Undefined array key subadmin underscore id. Okay, I'm going to see in admin controller line 159. In admin controller line 159, subadmin underscore id, it not able to get this one subadmin underscore id. We're going to see what it is coming here. Subadmin underscore id here. I think we must use here subadmin underscore id, so that's why this issue is coming. We're going to make it subadmin underscore id. Okay, and here as well we need to pass the subadmin underscore id, and other than this here I think we must use this subadmin underscore id. Okay, so now I think now it must show the correct result. Let's see, refresh, and we are going to check it now. Okay, so I will again click on this status, make it try to make it inactive. Now again the error is coming, still the same error is coming, subadmin underscore id. We are going to debug our code here. We are going to alert this one that this one is coming from here or not, subadmin underscore id. We are going to see here we have added see page id, so that's why, see, we need to modify this one to this subadmin underscore id as well. So now we are going to check one thing again. I think maybe debugging is not required, the error is in front of us that we have resolved, and now we are going to click to inactive status once again, and this time it is working fine. You can see we able to inactive it. Okay, and we can able to inactive it as well. We can see, refresh it, and you can see it will see inactive. Okay, like we will activate see, again it is not working. I think we're going to see it is, I think not displaying, not working maybe, or it is not displaying here. I'm going to see there are right now active status. I am going to first make inactive. Okay, status is now inactive for this one, second id, fine. Now I'm going to click on this one once again. Now it is working fine. See, it is active back. Okay, now I'm going to make it inactive, the last one. It is inactive, yes, it is inactive. Now I'm going to make it active, so now it is working fine. I think maybe some cache issue. Okay, so it is working fine now. Okay, so now we are going to work on the delete functionality. So for the delete functionality, we are going to add the function in the same way like we have added, but first of all we are going to add its route like we have added earlier the delete cms page route. So in the same way we are going to add here the delete subadmin route. Okay, so that function we are going to add in the admin controller. We are going to add the function like delete subadmin function we are going to add. Okay, delete subadmin, we're going to add this function, and now we will copy the delete, that this destroy that will work similar. So here we are going to replace it with the delete subadmin function, delete subadmin. Okay, subadmin id will come up here, and here we are going to delete this subadmin. Okay, delete subadmin. Okay, so here this subadmin model, admin model. Okay, so we are going to delete and we'll send the message there, subadmin deleted successfully, subadmin deleted successfully. I think it's done. Let's check. Okay, refresh it, and now we are going to check it. See, I'm going to delete this one. Sweet alert is already there. We have we need to modify in here as well. We need to see name subadmin, find title delete subadmin. Here record is subadmin record. Okay, so we are going to check this one, whether it will work fine or not. Click on delete. Are you sure? See, this sweet load is working for this one as well. We will click on cancel first of all, and now we are going to click on yes, delete it. Deleted, and this subadmin has been deleted. You can see the subadmin deleted successfully. So our common function, that is confirm delete, is working fine for this subadmin as well. We have the special jQuery for this one as well, that works for all the modules. Just you require to update there at one place. Here this confirm deletion with sweet alert is working fine. Okay, here it is going the record as well, the record ID that we are sending via jQuery. Okay, we are getting it from here. In record we are sending the subadmin, and in record ID we are sending the subadmin ID. In the same way, like we are sending the CMS page ID as well as the CMS page module earlier on. Okay, so we able to do both active, inactive, as well as the delete functionality for the subadmin as well. Okay, so we will, in the next video, we will add the add edit feature for the subadmin. After that, we will move further with the role and permission. For every subadmin we will add some specific role. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next video. We are going to add the add edit subadmin feature. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Good.